can go to google.com and you type in NotebookLM, meaning language model. And you can sign into it and it just links over to your Google account. So just think of it as one of the products from Google. This is the main screen that you'll see. I'll just do really quickly a demo of it. On the center screen, you can search the web for new sources, or you can drop your own files in there. So for example, there's two workflows. The first workflow, if you have a specific journal club, a specific article that you want to take a look at, then you can drop the file in there. You can drop YouTube videos, you can own files from your Google Drive, or you can cut and paste text directly into the window. The other workflow is, say you're just learning a general topic, then you could just type in. So for example, I work within the pharma industry. I want to learn AI. Tell me what are the top latest trends that's happening. And you have the option of just getting a quick result or doing a more in-depth research. So if you can do it, the in-depth research will just take a little bit more time to do it. I've gone ahead and I have run the search already, so you can see, because it'll just take a little bit of time, so you can see what the screen would look like. Once it's doing a search for you, you'll come across this page. And in this example, I've told it that I want to learn more about AI. And so it's gone ahead and it's done some research for me. The nice thing is that it shows you all of the resources that it's pulling in. So it's pulling in things from YouTube, from Wikipedia, from reports from McKinsey. And then it pulls in the top 10 resources. You can always pick and choose whichever resource you want to use. And then moving over to the middle of the screen, you can start a chat with it. It will do the summary for you, and you can start having a chat like, no, I'm interested in learning about, focus more on this part, on that article, and what does that YouTube video say? One of the nice things in terms of like learning is on the far right-hand side, you can do the audio overview. So the two podcast show hosts that we're used to, you can convert that over to a video format. You can do a mind map. You can do flashcards, quizzes, infographics. You can convert this content over into a slide deck, into a data table. So whatever type of content that you are using, it can transform that content into something different. And that's really powerful. We'll go back to our example of where we are listening and we're learning about AI. So it'll generate the podcast for you, and it's gone ahead and has generated a podcast for me. And so when I started learning, I would just listen to go on my Spotify account, and I would load up all my videos on based on AI, and then I would listen to it on my jobs day to my meeting. And it's the same way you can do it with NotebookLM. They have the app available on an iPhone or Android. You download it, and you'll have all of your audio files there. So you could just easily go and then just tap and just listen to it on the go. It's a really great way to tailor your learning. And so all of this research into doing just takes a few minutes. If you want to convert this content over into an audio, that requires more time.